The most productive people don't just use Miro, they work with it. So stop dragging your ideas across the screen and get out of your own way. You thought you knew Miro, but I'm going to show you 5 tips that will unlock a whole new level of productivity you might not have known existed. You've heard of templates, but have you heard of AI-accelerated templates? These add AI to Miro's most successful templates, turning hours of manual work into minutes of smart collaboration. Like, check out the User Persona Generator template. It turns research data into evidence-based user personas. Each template eliminates setup time and guides you through AI-powered workflows that deliver results fast. Miro Flows automate repetitive tasks so you can focus on strategic work. Select content on your board and run a flow to transform it instantly. Turn sticky notes into comprehensive documents, convert concepts into prototypes, and generate timelines from project plans. What normally takes hours happens in minutes. Turn workflows into repeatable and augmented best practices. Create a synced copy of any board object by copying it and pasting it on another board or in a different section, then selecting Synced View. When you update the original, all synced copies update automatically everywhere. No more maintaining multiple versions or copying-pasting updates across boards. Perfect for tables, status reports, or any content that appears in multiple places. Open AI Sidekicks and select content on your board to give it context. Choose your sidekick and ask it to create documents, diagrams, or summaries based on what you've already built. The sidekick uses everything you've selected on the board as input, generating outputs that match your specific project needs. No generic responses, just contextual results. Turn scattered ideas into structured deliverables without starting from scratch. Frames organize sections, create presentation flows, and help teams navigate larger boards without getting lost. Name each frame clearly for easy navigation. Use frames to separate brainstorming from execution, group ideas by theme, or structure workshops into clear phases. Frames transform chaotic boards into professional, easy-to-follow workspaces. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe. Check out the links in the description for more information. These 5 tips eliminate busy work and keep you focused on work that matters. Start using them today and work faster and smarter in Miro.